Abakozi abasukka mu 10 ku faamu baakosebwa eddagala erikozesebwa mu kufuuyira ebimuli gye buvuddeko era nga bangi ku bano bali ku bitanda mu mbeera embi. Wano ebibiina by'abakyala we byasitukira okuvaayo okuyamba abakyala bano ate kaakano ekibiina ky'abakozi ono kiyingira mu nsonga zino nga kigamba nti omukozesa ku faamu yakola dda ogugwe. Abaddukanya faamu eno baatwala abakozi bano mu ddwaliro naye nga kino abalala bagamba nti tekimala. Wano ekibiina ky'abakozi ne kyambalira abakyala bano nga kigamba nti bano nabo ate bayise we bandikomye era nga kaakano batandise okukangakanga bamusiga nsimbi.
When you get an accident, what do? You are allowed to be treated. After you have been treated, then you are compensated. And who does the treatment? The law provides that the employer is the one responsible for those people to get the treatment and even take them back. But what the FIDA is trying to create is he wants these girls even to lose employment. So FIDA, their mandate is about domestic violence. So what domestic violence is in the Royal Vansa? Which husband is there fighting these people? For this lady Irene, is it called Irene Odenda? I even asked her. She's even a lawyer. I'm not the one who makes these laws. Irene Odenda is a lawyer. He must know that this is a labor dispute. It has nothing to do with husband and women. Nothing. So, like as Chair has told you that Irene Odenda is a survivor.
That why obutali bumativu bwaffe olw'okubanga ate abalwanyirizi b'eddembe balooya bannakibiina kino ekitwala abalimi b'ebimuli abagezaako okulwanirira obulamu bw'abakyala bano bafunye okutiisibwatiisibwa mu bigambo.
Notu egamba nti omukozesa yakkiriza okusasula ebisale by'eddwaliro byonna eri abakozi baabwe bonna okutuusa nga bawonye nga n'okunoonyereza bwe kugenda mu maaso.
They can do anything in the video, but when dealing with our members, they must deal with them through us. We also want to reaffirm that we are going to make sure all flower farms conform with what is on the international standard as far as, and the Secretary General has actually directed that all the farms now, we are going to have inspections, we are going to have all what it takes.
They are more of protecting their name. If something has happened, we want them to take note and say, what can we do faster to make sure that we avert? Maybe they also did not know that the chemicals had problems. So the measures that we are taking, first of all, making sure that the patients get fair. 2, after they are fair and okay, of course, if they give us instructions, you know we are human rights defenders and we protect rights. If they think they agree that need to go back to court, they will go to court.
Bano bagamba nti abakyala bano baagala kukozesa omukisa guno okulaga nti bakola nnyo naye ate nga boolekedde okufiiriza eggwanga obulindo bw'ensimbi.
They should have contacted the center and worked with the center. Now, you go and capture the issue, you want to use it for your own gain, and then you are even threatening to sue. By the way, we don't fear being sued, because one of the things we do is to protect the workers.
We are just working within our mandate to support the women whose rights had been violated from this particular incident, because it is part of what we are established to do, and it is something we've had a track record for over the years, and as opposed to the words that have been lumped in the media about this particular incident, we as human rights defenders were just working within our mandate, and we continue to do so despite the intimidation, despite whatever opposition may come our way. Ours is the issue in question. What are the rights that have been violated?